Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can add TXT record in Hostinger. But before we continue, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, and let's get started. So first of all, what you will need to do is log into your H panel and go to your domains. So I will blur some personal info now, so you won't see my number and etc. So what you'll need to do is go to the left side and locate it DNS and name servers. And as you can see, if you locate right here, you'll be able to manage your DNS record. So here at type, select TXT, you will be able to add TXT value, TTL, and name. And you will be able to add a record. So I don't have any details how to add TXT record, but I show you how to locate it. So that's pretty much it. So thank you guys for watching. I see you in the next one.